is going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. Don't mind your girl hair. I'm actually about to take this out tonight. Wash it, straighten my hair. This is vacation hair, as you guys know from the previous video. But I was coming on today to show you guys. I'm so excited about what a big purchase that I just made. It is called the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot, and I got this because one, we moved, and now where we are, we don't have carpet. We have like hardwood floors. So I wanted to try this out versus sweeping and Swiffering and then mopping all the time. I wanted to see if this could help keep the floors like really clean. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna do an unboxing today, show you guys what comes with it. As you can see, it has a self-cleaning empty base where you can just pretty much forget about vacuuming. So what it's gonna do, it has like a tube on the side that kind of gets close into the corners, blows like the air out, so that way any crumbs or anything that's in the corners, it has a little fan, poof that, suck it on inside. And then it also has it where it mops the floor too. You just have to change the extensions out. But then it puts itself back on the base, empties it, and you can leave your trash in there for up to 60 days. And there's no bags where you have to take the lid off and dump the bags out. It comes in a really tight sealed filter compartment to where you can just dump it out after you use it or every 60 days. So I'm gonna unbox it today, pull everything out so you can see, try to get it connected. And then I'll do another review to let you guys know how I like it and if it's the hype, because everyone's talking about it. I know there's another brand, don't remember the name of it, but that one was like $1,400, and I wasn't trying to pay for that. This one was a good deal. All right, let's see. All right, so this is the actual. All right, guys, so you get a lot of things. So you get the side brushes. These are the little side brushes I was talking about where when the air blows for the corner pieces. They give you 2 attachments so that way when it's Swiffering by the wall, it does that, scoops it over so it can suck it up. Oh, don't want to lose it. And then you also get the Shark Vac Mop. So this is like in order to use the solution, you pour it a little bit in here and then pour the water to where the line is. And they also give you an extra mopping pad. And these are washable too, but they already have one on there. And it has like Velcro, and then you snap it on. This is and it also has a filter that you can easily rinse off, or you can repurchase these on Shark. But when I was watching the YouTube reviews on it, a lot of people say they just spray them to clean them off. So that's good. Yeah. And then it snaps on right here for you to hold it in place. See here it says for you to put the cleaner water first, and then you put the cleaner up to there. So you would fill the water here, and then you would pour the rest in the cleaner. Yeah. And if you just want water only, you can fill it water only. But I would like to use water and the cleaner. And it also says on here too, just putting this over here, that it works with Google and Alexa. So I'm excited to know. And then you also can set you set it up so that way it can like memorize the perimeters and layout of your home. And you can set it on a schedule to where you can have it clean up the floor while you're at work, or have it clean up right before you're about to come home. or have it like on a weekly schedule. I probably would do every two to every 3 days, because it's just, you know, us in the house. It's not like we have animals, kids, or anything like that. So this is the actual shark itself. So let's take it out. 2 in 1. Oh wow. And they say the rollers down here do not catch hair, where it'll roll, like wrap around the roller, like in your normal vacuum cleaners. You know how you would have the hair and you got to take the scissors and cut it. I have the Shark vacuum cleaner, and I have the steamer as well. Their vacuum cleaner has the big roller just like this, and it's the truth, no hair. And when I'm combing my wigs and washing my hair and I go over the floor with it, nothing is wrapped in around it. So it does work. It's legit when it comes to that. Put that over there. And this is the base that it sits on. So you would put it slides up on the base itself, and then this back part sits whole. It houses this square part, houses the Big Mama. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just doing an unboxing to show you guys what I got, and then we're gonna put it to the test this week. That way I can then come back and do a review on how I like it, how easy was it to set up, because I would have to go in and program everything so that way it can map out the house. So that's going to be interesting. I'm excited about this. And this is the base. This is what holds all the dust particles, and it is like AI sealed tight. So there's no dust particles gonna be flying around the house. My grandmother, she's allergic to dust and pollen. So I think this will be really good. So when she's over, sorry, to make sure that the floor is really clean. Yeah, like it's super sealed tight. Even you can see the rubber piece that connects when it sucks everything in like that. It's going deep in there to suck everything out. And it seems like it's very easy to change out the filters. And you can purchase these, but they have all of the, oh yeah. Yeah, they're all washable. Or like I said, you can go onto Shark website and you can repurchase this. I probably will get maybe 2, so that way I can have a total of 3. So I'll probably get 2 more, so I can have a total of 3, and then that's what it would look like in the inside. So yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a while. I really had no reason to get it, to be honest with you, because we had carpet in our last place. It says left here. So okay, so then you push this button at the top. There's a button here. And you press that, and you would slide out that, and then this is how you would dump out all the vacuum cleaning particles. So press, it falls out. So make sure you're standing over your garbage when you're doing that, and then you just airtight. Let me make sure I'm putting this back on the base right. tear it up before I even. Okay. Yep, it is nice and sealed. So I'll just keep that on there. But yeah, that's all, guys, for now. I'm going to program it, set it up. That way I can come back to you guys and we'll do a review on how we like it. And I want to give it a week. So today's Sunday. And give it a week. Let it clean the house for a week. And then I can come back next Saturday and let you guys know how I like it. So I definitely have to go ahead and set everything up so that way it can do its thing tomorrow while we're at work, map out everything. So that's it. And thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget what you got to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Okay, guys, so this is day 3 of us having the shark. And today is Wednesday. When I first initially did the video, it was Sunday. We set it on a schedule for it to do the entire place. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And so yesterday I came home and I accidentally hit the button for it to run. But look at the floors. Like, it's so clean. It has cute little, I just like the tracks that it leaves on the floor. It's kind of really cool. That's really neat that it does everything. And the living room looks really good. The floors, I mean, we don't have any animals or pets, but just like little things, little dust particles can get on the floor, lint. Like, I walk barefoot a lot, and for the past couple of days, nothing is on the floor. Nothing. I have yet to use the mop on it, but this is the other bedroom. It leaves it really nice and clean on the carpet. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this shark. So the next thing would be me mopping the floors with it. But I'm going to set it to only do the kitchen and then the dining room area, because those are the areas that I wanted to only mop. I'm a little skeptical because the mop, I'm sorry, I'm a little skeptical because of the rug. I have to make sure that it's not going to wet the rug. So I'm still trying to map out the living room a little perfectly. So other than that, yeah, I am very pleased and happy. Okay, shark. All right, guys, we came home again. I want to say I have the timer set. Today's Friday. I think again earlier I told you guys in the week it was Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So of course we came home. The floors were done again, and yeah, pretty cool. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna do the mopping for the kitchen and the dining room. But I want to also show you guys what we found at Publix. We kind of got home late tonight from work, so we're gonna try this blackened tilapia with some potatoes and asparagus. And then we have like a soy ginger salmon. So babe's gonna eat this one, and then I'm going to eat this one. These meals were like, I wanna say $8 or $9. They also have like the $7 meals too that you have to like put in the oven. I think these are really good, really quick. Yeah, for if you just want some quick meals to eat, fish, vegetable, and one starch. It's proportioned really good as well too. So all you have to do is like lift the corner and then heat them up in the microwave. So yeah, we're gonna have this tonight for dinner, have a little drink, and we're gonna relax. It's Friday. So we're gonna relax, enjoy dinner, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll definitely show you guys when I mop the kitchen, dining room floor tomorrow, and the little hallway area right there too. That way I'll let you know how it works. And then that'll be it for the review for the shark. I'm very pleased with it, especially for the carpet. We'll definitely give it a shot for the floors. So excited. But we're gonna go eat and spend time with the babe. Peace, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I'm coming back to you guys looking a little bit decent. I let the shark ran today to mop the floor. I do apologize that I did not. I don't know what happened. Like I just let it do its thing and I was doing something else, but it did the dining room, the living room, the kitchen, the hallway, and then I had to take it into my bathroom and my bedroom because I didn't want it to wet the carpet. That's the only thing. Remember, you have to interchange the pad out to let it mop, and then you put the vacuum cleaner slot in it, but it also still picks up dirt while it's mopping as well too. So I'll show you guys the floor so you can see it's dry now, but I'll catch it again another time. But just to know that I give this Shark AI with docking station, I give this a 5 out of 5. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm at work Monday through Friday. Sometimes I work on the weekend, depending on what weekend rotation it is. And I've come home and I've showed you guys the footage of the carpet, how clean the floors are. And I walk barefoot. I've been walking barefoot on purpose, just to see if I can feel like dirt and dust. It's picking stuff up. Like before I even bought it, I could feel a little, crumbs here and there on the floor. But because I have it going on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I feel like I just did it today just so it can mop on Saturday. So I personally have to set it up for that. But I have to give it a 5 out of 5. I am a happy camper when it comes to the Shark AI docking station with mop. So it is a plus. I say that you definitely should add this if you are someone that's a busy moms, just busy in general. Maybe you're a new mom and you you have your little crumb snatchers always dropping stuff on the floor. It's going to be your best friend for that, especially if you work from home and you drop the kids off at school and you wanted to clean your hardwood floors and do the vacuum while you're working from home. That's a plus. The only thing I will say, if you work from home and you have to have quiet, like you can't hear any background noise, I would suggest you set it maybe when you're leaving to go get the kids so that way it can be done by the time you get home, or maybe set it for another room and then you close off this room until later on at night when you're sleeping and you do your work area when you're sleeping. It is a little loud, so I would suggest that you don't do it if you can't have any background noise if you're working from home. But if that's not into play and you're not like on conference calls or anything like that, baby girl, get that Shark. So this is it for my review. Just want to let you guys know I'm a happy camper. I'm going to show you snippets of the floor so you can see how pretty it looks and how nice and clean it looks in the bathrooms, in the hallway. I am happy.